The thing about rainy season is that you need to be prepared, isn't that right, Tina? You need to be prepared. She says. If you look at our table, we've had to move some of the stuff from the floor onto the table, just in case, because the water can sometimes it can rise. It can come in and rise. It can rise unexpectedly, and you don't want to be caught off guard. You don't want to be taken by surprise at the last minute, and you don't want your stuff destroyed. So it's good to raise things high whenever you need to, and it's also good to have a case packed, ready to go, so that if the water starts rising, then you get your suitcase, you carry it to the car, load up the car, and away you go. And then we do have a plan for the refrigerator as well. If the water starts coming in, then we'll put the refrigerator on the chairs there, and we'll make sure that's lifted up high. And you try to raise as much things as possible that could easily be destroyed. So we're in like day 3 of this typhoon or whatever it is, this storm that's over the Philippines at the moment, and it's really cold. Are you cold?
No, I'm not.
I'm cold. The temperature is 27 Celsius and I am cold. Back in the UK, temperatures of 27 Celsius would be really, really hot and really unbearable. But here, you know, you've adjusted to the Philippines whenever you're complaining about the temperature being cold at 27 Celsius. So, yeah, it's quite windy, it's quite rainy, and you just got to be prepared and got to survive and do what you need to do, go about your day. So, yeah, we were at church this morning, and the rain was blowing into the church from the outside, so we all had to move to the front. And then we decided, me and Tina, we went for, well, Tina and I should say, we went for some lovely warm batchoy earlier. During rainy season, it gives you the opportunity to change the house about slightly. So we bought this unit here, and for storage, and it's nice. It has open doors, and so it's freed up some space. And then we've moved the furniture about, so we've got the table, the kitchen table over there, the sofa here, and we've got the Christmas tree up because, well, it's socially acceptable in the Philippines to have your Christmas tree up from September onwards, so that's what we're doing. And then we're just sorting out all our stuff that's on the floor here, so it's a bit messy at the moment, but how are we getting on? Okay, Lang.
Still has a lot to do.
Yeah. So, what is this fruit? Oh.
You have to try it.
What do you call it?
Atis.
Atis.
Yes.
A-T-I-S?
Tama lang. Bite. Bite. Eh.
That was a fail. This is the seed.
You have to like use your tongue.
Oh, and get the skin off.
It's not meant. We have a lot there.
Yeah, we have a bag of Atis. Right here. There's not much taste to that actually. It's pretty bland, I think. Okay, no, that is nice. That's quite nice.
It's like milky.
Like a milky.
Melts in your mouth.
Yeah.
But it's not so sweet, not so ano.
Yeah. Just be careful you don't swallow the seeds.
Oh, this is it.
It looks like a miniature pineapple, doesn't it?
We got it from my uncle's yard yesterday.
Yeah.
So it's not yet ripe, but you will know when it's almost ripe because There's a lot of spaces. This already like that. And showing that kind of color, pinkish color. So maybe tomorrow or next day it will be ripe. So I only found one ripe appies, which is
the one we get. Oh, that's quite nice actually, guys. There's a sweet taste to it, but it's not overpowering, is it? And as you say, there's quite a milky thing to it as well. So that's a new fruit that I've tried for the first time. Mayo gate.
Because even though it's in a even though you can find it in a tropical country, it's so hard to find it sometimes.
Yeah. Yeah, you pretty much raided your uncle's fruit tree yesterday, didn't you? It was.
And when you see it, guys, just pick it up before the birds eat it.
Ah, the birds like it as well then? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and we're making good progress with the house.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. When you
have a small house, you just have to make the best out of it.
Yeah. Maximize the space that you have.
But it's better without a house.
Are you saying it's better not to live in a house?
It's better than having no house.
Oh, right, yeah. Brain malfunction there, but she said it's better not to live in a house. I think that was the liquid she doesn't want to be filmed making a cake, but it's okay. It's okay, isn't it? Making chiffon cake?
Sponge cake.
Ah, sponge cake.
SpongeBob's cake.
SpongeBob's cake. And it's very, well, the wind and the rain is very loud. Well, on the roof it's very rainy again and very windy again. So it is what it is, but we've got a nice setup in the house now. I like it. Very comfortable. Very, very comfortable house. And the Christmas tree is up. And the cake is in the oven now. So, look at that. So guys, we have our countdown to switch on the Christmas lights. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Not me. I can't see you. You're too dark. Oh, I'm too dark as well. My own good. And show them the cake. The cake is looking good. But we'll have that after dinner, yeah?
Okay, turn on the light.
See you later.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Who's videoing me?
Well guys, it is a good day. The weather has finally cleared up. So after 4 or 5 days of heavy rain and wind, we're back to feeling warm and we have heat again, which is really good. So if you watched the previous vlog, we were talking about Tina's baking business and how she's baking cupcakes and different things and then getting people to resell. So during the last few days, because it was so rainy and windy, we didn't actually have the opportunity to sell many cupcakes or take many orders, because most of our business is done in the schools, and of course classes were suspended. So we're a few days without selling. So if you watched the previous vlog, we uploaded that vlog yesterday, and it was funny because Steve and Mam Jovelyn, an American expat who's married to a Filipina, Steve and his wife, they commented and said they would like to order a dozen. So we got talking, we messaged on Facebook, and they live locally in Guimaras. And so this morning they drove all the way from Sabunag, maybe about a 20-minute drive, to buy some cupcakes. Steve was able to sample the cupcakes, and what did he think of it? Well, I'll let him tell you. This is Steve and Mam Jovelyn, and yes. Steve is about to try one of Tina's beautiful cupcakes.
Let's see. We gonna see, Tina. Let me open it up.
Yeah.
Wow, it looks so moist.
It is. Yeah, I know it is so moist. Okay.
Chocolate cupcake.
Well, oh, you like it? You like it?
Look at the inside. There's.
Woo! You know what
rich.
It reminds me of?
It's rich.
This is good.
Yeah.
Remind of what?
Pizza Hut in the United States.
Wow.
Has these little brown.
The brownies?
No, not the brownies.
The lava?
The lava. This is what this
lava.
tastes like.
Yeah.
Lava cake of Pizza Hut.
Ooh, this is. Okay.
Okay.
As they say in Ilongo, namet.
Namet, say namet.
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 Namet. I'm gonna say more than namet. Excellent.
Excellent. Excellent.
This is what it tastes like, the lava cake.
Yeah.
The lava cake?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
If you get a chance, look at Pizza Hut.
I think Steve really enjoyed that cupcakes, and I expect that Mam Jovelyn will too. So they'll both enjoy the box of cupcakes that we sold to them, and they said that they'll be back for more, possibly in the next couple of days. But we've also been invited to their house for lunch next Wednesday, so we're looking forward to that. And guys, you can also check them out on YouTube. I'll link their channel for you now, and give them a like, subscribe to their channel, and watch some of their videos, because they're locally based in Guimaras, and they vlog just everyday life and show what's happening on the island. So yeah, that's all for today, and thank you for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye bye.